I got an unboxing for you guys. Before I pull the wheel out, let me just say how much I do like Brixton's box. I like the fact that it's white, it's clean, and then you have this Brixton logo that runs all along the side of it. Nice little detail. And I do like how they put this here. It's kind of like a joke. They're trying to be facetious and everything, but at the same time, it is true. They do want UPS or FedEx or whoever's taking care of this to actually be careful when they're delivering it. Of course, you got some more Brixton logo in here. And then some more as well here. A nice little American flag. The same design that you saw up top on the sides as well. Some more info here, the fact that it's authentic. I like that, that's nice. Enjoy. Nice. I really like this design. This is a Brixton RF7 wheel. This is a 20 by 10.5. It's actually made for a Tesla Model 3. And the reason I like this wheel is because I'm a big fan for 5-spoke open designs, 5-spoke split designs. Just because it looks really lightweight, right? Because it's so open. And matter of fact, it is. What I mean by that is, for example, this is made for a Tesla Model 3, and to give you an idea, a Tesla Model 3 20 by 9 from factory weighs about 28.89 pounds, okay? So about 29 pounds a wheel. This is 1.5 inch wider. This is 20 by 10.5, but it weighs 27 pounds. It is lighter than a narrower wheel, and the reason for that is because the wheel from Tesla is cast, right? As I mentioned yesterday, cast wheels are a little bit more affordable to make, they're cheaper to produce, but they weigh a little bit more, whereas this wheel here, because it's a radial forged wheel, they're able to cut down on some of the excess material that would normally be used to support the spokes and support the wheel in general, but they're able to cut that down and minimize it, making it a lot lighter at the same time without compromising on strength or integrity. So super solid design, and the best part about this too is that the offsets on this is perfect for a Model 3. It'll bring the wheels out from inside the fenders to either near flush or flush to the fender, so it looks fitted. It looks like a fitted suit, like on you, you know, but for your car, so it's kind of cool. Here's some close-ups of the wheel. So this is a satin anthracite finish. In the video, it does look black, and it kind of can, especially if you don't have a satin black wheel next to it to compare, but trust me, it is anthracite. You can kind of see it right here. R7 is inside of one of these little pockets that they cut out. Generally, as you go higher up in wheel construction, like from cast to hybrid, radial, flow, and fully forged wheels, you'll notice there's a lot more cutouts in the wheels because they're trying to save weight because they don't need it. So like for example, you have a lot of cutouts here, which looks really cool. It's an aggressive styling. You have it on here as well, and again, these are little things that you don't really notice until you have the wheel up close and personal, and then you can really appreciate the detail and how much time the machines actually take to cut out the excess material that you don't need, that not only provides a lighter wheel but still looks super aggressive. You have this Forge Plus engraving here, and of course a TPMS hole for, you know, TPMS thing. I know, I hear you guys already. You guys are probably saying, how can a wheel that's wider weigh less than a wheel that's narrower? So I'm gonna prove it to you, okay? This is the box the wheel came in, right? As you can see, it's 20 by 10.5, right? All the offsets, everything's right for a Model 3. It's a rear wheel, 27 pounds even. Alright, let's see. Oh, oops. This is a 20-inch Tesla Model 3 Sport wheel, so this is the wheel that comes from factory. The size is, oh, it's actually smaller than I thought. I thought it was 20 by 9. It's actually 20 by 8.5. So the Brixton wheel is 2 inches wider in the back and half an inch wide in the front. Look at that. It's 28.75 pounds. Isn't that crazy? It's 2 inches narrower, but it's 2 pounds heavier. That's nuts.